The whole point of AI in a classroom has been to use it as a way to explain stuff. I think it's a very good resource that we should not overlook or take for granted.
I think AI is pretty good to have because it creates new images and videos that you could use in your projects. I also enjoy using it because it's pretty fun making new images that nobody else would really create sometimes. And there's a lot of cool pictures that it can create with just a few words to describe it, so it's pretty cool.
I think the most important thing we can do as teachers is to prepare the kids for a future where AI will be part of their daily lives. They will never not have it. We need to teach them to use it responsibly and ethically, and it should be part of their daily lives at school as well, because there are no jobs that won't have AI.
It's just helping me find more ways to use my resources.
Personally, I think AI should be used if you're stuck on a problem. If you don't know how to start an essay, I'd say I just give it the topic and then it'll just give me a start. So that's what I really like of AI.
I would like AI to be more accessible. I think it's okay to have restrictions, but I think if we had less restrictions, it would be a great opportunity for learning.
It helps so much on the projects I do in different classes, and it just gives it a bit more flair.
I would love to use AI more in the classroom.
Our commitment to teachers and students means our AI integration will be backed by teacher support and user training, fostering an innovative and effective learning environment.
It was fun.